Kilalanin natin ang possible reloaded complete lineup ng Meralco bots para sa 2 Laden Imports Conference para sa 2024 Pba 49th season. Point guards, Diego Dario, 5'8", 145 pounds, 27 years old, 1.3 points, 0.6 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Anjo Karam, 5'7", 159 pounds, 33 years old, 4.6 points, 0.4 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 59% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Aaron Black, 6'1", 180 pounds, 27 years old, 11.4 points, 4.6 rebounds, 3.6 assists, 45% 3-point shooter, 67% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards, Sean Jackson, reserve list, 6'2", 170 pounds, 24 years old, 2 points, 0.5 rebounds, 33 field goal percentage, 7.5 minutes per game, 2 games played in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Chris Newsome, 6'2", 190 pounds, 33 years old, 15.3 points, 6.3 rebounds, 4.7 assists, 25% 3-point shooter, 89% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Chris Banquero, 6'1", 175 pounds, 35 years old, 8.1 points, 2.5 rebounds, 3 assists, 28% 3-point shooter, 43% free throw shooter in his Pba Philippine averages. Bong Quinto, 6'2", 185 pounds, 29 years old, 8.4 points, 3.9 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 27% 3-point shooter, 77% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards, Jansen Rios, 6'3", 185 pounds, 32 years old, 1.7 points, 1.1 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 22% 3-point shooter, 7.9 minutes per game in his Pba 48 Commissioner's Cup averages. Alvin Pasaol, 6'2", 200 pounds, 29 years old, 1.3 points, 1 rebound, 0.3 assist, 11% 3-point shooter, 25% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Alain Maliksi, 6'4", 180 pounds, 36 years old, 13.6 points, 3 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 37% 3-point shooter, 77% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards, Kyle Pascual, 6'6", 213 pounds, 34 years old, 1.6 points, 2.4 rebounds, 0.2 blocks, 37 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his Pba 48 Philippine Cup averages. Raymar Jose, 6'4", 200 pounds, 31 years old, 5.3 points, 3 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 58 field goal percentage, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Cliff Hodge, 6'4", 195 pounds, 36 years old, 8.7 points, 8.3 rebounds, 2 assists, 46 field goal percentage, 60% free throw shooter in his PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Allen Durham, second choice import, 6'6", 236 pounds, 36 years old, 12.1 points, 7 rebounds, 4.1 assists, 0.6 steals, 0.1 block, 29% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Japan B-League season averages. Centers, Raymond Almazan, team captain, 6'8", 194 pounds, 34 years old, 8.8 points, 6.6 rebounds, 0.2 blocks, 38% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Brandon Bates, 6'8", 231 pounds, 27 years old, 5.4 points, 5.2 rebounds, 0.4 blocks, 86 field goal percentage, 33% free throw shooter in his PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Norbert Torres, 6'6", 265 pounds, 34 years old, 3.1 points, 1.9 rebounds, 0.2 blocks, 31% 3-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Andrew Nicholson, first choice import, 6'10", 250 pounds, 34 years old, 23 points, 7.7 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.5 steals, 0.4 blocks, 41% 3-point shooter, 81% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Korean B-League season averages. Ito ang official new look complete lineup ng Meralco Bolts para sa PBA 48 o Filipino Cup.